In this video, we are going to look at how to add a mask to an alignment. So I have two alignments crossing here. So in this crossing area, we can see both the alignments are weaving and both the labels are weaving. So if you are mostly considering about this road might be a problem. But still you want that alignment to be continued, but to be hidden in this crossing area, this is how to do that. So you have to select this alignment, then go to alignment properties. On the masking tab, click here masking regions. So we will say we are going to add a mask from station 120. So I select 120 here using the object snaps, and I'm going up to 180. So I select 180, click on that one, and the masking is now added. So it will add the mask only to the area I selected. If you want to extend the mask up to the start, you can click here. If you want to extend the mask up to the end, you can click here. So I'm not going to do that. So what I do is I click apply. So you can see what happens here. So you can see now everything got disappeared in that masking area. So if I click OK, you can see the alignment is still there, but in the middle portion or the crossing portion, we don't have that other alignment and its labels. So this is how to add a mask to an alignment in Civil 3D.